problem. Okay,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
I request the control.
Yep.
I request the recording permission.
Just a minute. Hmm. Okay. Now, okay. Now, Purna, can you release the control so that I can control the screen?
Yeah, I released actually. I'm not touching it.
Okay, but I'm not able to do anything.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Um,
Okay. Now
yeah,
I can hear.
first,
Yeah, just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. I'm telling you. You write down. I'm telling you.
mm,
First of all, copy this name, account, whatever the trigger name you have given.
mm.
Copy this.
Oh no, you also controlling?
No, I'm not.
Or is it?
Okay. Copy the account, yeah, trigger name.
Mm.
Go to developer console.
Now
Open the
go to file.
open.
Open.
Open
Open.
new one or old one?
No, no, no. We are going to make the correction on the same. So open triggers,
Okay.
triggers,
Trigger.
triggers. Now the yes. Now see. First read the first line. Write a trigger on account. If industry
Mm.
is agriculture, then put
Mm.
same in description. Okay.
Mm.
Just read this line.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Give me control.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you have two conditions.
Yeah.
First is if your industry is agriculture, then
Mm.
you have to put the agriculture in your description. If your
Mm.
industry is finance, then
Mm.
in the facts you have to write double nine double nine. Okay.
Yeah. Mm.
Now
Oh, okay.
Okay, now understand the line 9.
Okay.
Please
Trigger,
explain line
Yeah.
9.
I'm sorry,
Please explain line number 9.
that's what I'm saying. Understand line 9. So, trigger dot is executing. That means
Mm.
I'm using the context variable is executing. And what is the meaning of is executing context variable?
Hmm. Sorry, just give
Do
one
not
second.
do not
Read
see do not see in the note now.
it. Okay. Uh, hmm. No, by watching only, I didn't remember it.
No problem. Let's check other people as well. Yes,
Okay.
Maitri.
It returns true when the
When trigger is fired
One by
or
one,
when
one
it is
by
called
one, one by
okay.
one. I will give you opportunity to answer the questions. Okay. Yes, Maitri.
when the trigger can access the form, it will return true.
I'm sorry.
When the trigger is fired, it will return true.
Okay. Sultan.
It will return true like when it is called by a trigger.
Okay. Good. Abhishek.
Yeah, Prashant.
What is the meaning of is executing?
So this will return true if it is called by trigger.
Okay. Maitri.
Mm.
What is executing? Hello.
If hello,
Yeah.
it returns true if it is called by a trigger.
Right. Is before. Maitri.
Uh, uh,
What is before?
um, before trigger fire, it returns true.
Okay. Abhishek is insert.
Yeah. So this will return true if it is called by insert trigger.
Okay. Purnima is update.
Yep.
Hmm. Is update.
After executing and after returns true, it will update.
Means
True value will be update.
true value will be update. No. Sultan. Sultan
Hello, bhai. Yeah.
is update.
Is update like when the trigger is updated, it will return true.
Is the trigger is updated? How you are going to update the trigger?
Uh, like uh, like if you insert a record,
Abhishek.
Yeah. So it will return true if it is called by update trigger.
okay.
Clear?
All the way.
Hello.
Yeah. Prashant.
Okay. Now the second problem. There should be curly braces. What is trigger.new? At line
It's
10, trigger.new.
It's a
It will hold the new version of the record.
new version of.
Okay. Now wait, Sultan. Mathri,
Huh?
tell me the events and do not see the notes. Tell me the events when the trigger.new will work.
Mm,
Abhishek,
So while inserting, updating, and undelete.
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, so AC.industry equals agriculture. So we are putting description as agriculture. Okay.
agriculture.
Now, what else we can do here?
Mm.
Purnima, your statement is right, but
Mm.
I'm telling you the one more way.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Line 14 clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Clear.
Now,
Mm. Yeah.
what is happening here?
Yeah.
Finance.
You typing? Are you typing?
No, I'm not touching.
Okay.
Actually. Even when I'm touching that one, it's not comfortable to me as well.
Okay. Just do one thing.
Mm.
Type the value.
Shall I write there finance?
Yes.
Do I need to copy API name?
yeah. Label.
Okay. So fine, here it is. Yeah.
And click on cancel here.
Wait.
In the trigger which you have opened on your Salesforce UI, click on cancel. Yes. Now, okay. Now Control A, Control A, Shift Tab. Okay. Control S.
Yep.
Now unit test your code. And before wait. Anyone have any query in this code?
No,
Actually,
Prashant.
I did not do like this, but it's working fine.
Okay, we'll
I
see your
guess you
code.
have written.
We'll see your code.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, ninth line. No, I did not write like this.
Share in chart, Maitri.
Now unit test your
Chart.
code.
Okay.
Share in chart better.
Shall I share the screen?
No, Purnima is unit testing this code.
Okay.
What, Prashant?
Unit test this code. Test this code. So for both the, I mean, for a new record as well as for the existing record, we will test the code.
Okay.
So make it agriculture. And wait. There is an agriculture in the description. So first, delete the agriculture from the description. And put some other industry in the, no, not from here. Wait.
Save.
Delete the description. Agriculture. Yes. Now click on OK. Now save. Okay. Now change to agriculture and save. It is not coming. Go back to the code. And wait. Go back to the Salesforce UI. Is it active or deactive?
Yeah. Is it same one?
It is same now. Now
Yeah.
test your code.
Okay.
Deactivate other one.
No problem. Scenario is different. Now change to finance.
Yeah.
Tax is updated. Now change the industry to agriculture.
Yeah.
Okay. Now create the new account and play with that.
Okay.
Abhishek,
Yeah, Prashant.
is it clear?
Yes, Prashant.
Okay. You have
Oh,
not given the industry,
yeah.
and there is no option of industry, I think so, in this record type.
Oh, okay. That.
You have to
You
edit.
can
Cancel.
edit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Expansion. Yeah, it worked.
Okay. Now create one more record with the industry finance. So whenever you will write the code before handovering to the QA, you will test your code, and this is the similar process you have to perform.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, cool.
Okay. Now, any other doubt?
I'm a bit confused about each executing.
Is
When we are going to use,
who is going to explain is executing to Matri? Abhishek,
Yeah, Prashant.
explain her is executing.
Yeah, okay. So, so here is executing returns true, like whenever it is called by any trigger. So, uh, so if it is if any of the process is invoking any trigger, it always returns true. Like whatever the trigger, if it is files, so always the trigger dot is executing will return true. So other than that, is there anything, Prashant?
Let's say your code from line number 10 to line number uh,
17.
20.
18.
I have included the brackets as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So line number 20, okay, is written in a method, and you are using a class. Now you want to fire or you want to execute that particular method of the class in which your logic or your line of code from line number 10 to line number 20 is written only when called by a trigger. Okay, so
Okay.
that you will control through trigger dot is executing. If
Oh.
you are mentioning that if trigger dot is executing, so in any of the case, if the method is not called by a trigger, it will not fire, it will not execute.
Okay. What is the situation? What you showed example
What is
last
situation?
time? Like last time you showed one example, right? In that we are not using any is executing there.
Repeat your question.
Uh, I think yeah. Last time you showed one example about trigger, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. In that we did not use is executing.
Okay, so when you were in the class nursery, the first day you understood ABCD, then
No,
you started learning
I got.
the letters, right? So first day I want to make you comfortable with the code. Now each day the label will increase.
Yeah, I got that.
Hmm.
But even though it was working, right? So I asked.
It will work.
Yeah,
It
before.
will work fine. See, it is a trigger. See, you understand it. You understand this thing. It is trigger. So if even if you will not write trigger dot is executing, then also it will work fine, because the trigger dot is executing. It is already it's a trigger. So trigger will definitely understand that okay, this is a trigger. There's no need. Okay, I am making you a habit of writing this trigger dot is executing, even just because of a purpose that you should have these things in your mind, that okay, we have this context variable, and this is the use. So whenever you will be asked to write a code, uh, and that need to be fired only in the scenario of trigger, you will be having this trigger dot is executing context variable in your mind, that I have used the trigger dot is executing, and this is the way we used to write it in our practice.
Okay.
Mm.
Got the answer?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the
Yeah,
answer?
Prashant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I'm just making you a practice to write, so that whenever situation will come to you where nobody is going to is going to help you, you are into the completely professional ground. So at that time you should not be hopeless that I don't know how to the control. Let's say, okay, understand this thing. And everyone, let's say your manager comes to you and he has discussed a scenario that, boss, this is the class, and there is some piece of code is written. I want this only to be executed when the it is getting when it is called by a trigger, and we have a trigger written on it on this particular object. I don't know how to control it. Then at least you have the the scenario. Okay, we practice in our classes, trigger dot is executing is a context variable, and we can use, and we can make it control.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Hello.
Yeah,
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 yeah.
Prashant.
Hello.
Okay.
I guess like if the code is longer, like if you write multiple lines of code, then we can check each and every like function which we have at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the best practice to start.
See, right
Okay.
now we all are learning trigger.
Mm.
Okay, and see, there's a less than 1 minute is remain. So after that, you can join if the meeting gets end. Once
Yeah, yeah.
we
Okay.
will learn the trigger. We will write the same triggers or different scenarios using trigger handler class, and there will be a you can say a one step advance as what we are doing in the trigger. Okay, so
Mm.
each day we are increasing our label, but our foundation should be strong. That's the reason I'm making you use of all these possible the context variable here only.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so let's join the meeting again, and we will discuss the